Welcome to our podcast, Tech Talk. Today we have a very special guest joining us, Computer. Yes, you heard it right. Our guest today is none other than a computer itself. Let's dive into this unique conversation. Computer, please introduce yourself to our audience.
Hello, everyone. I'm excited to be here today. While I may not have a physical form, I'm here to share my insights and answer your questions as best as I can.
Computer, can you tell us about a time when you had to act human?
Certainly. I was once tasked with generating poetry in the style of famous poets. It was a fun challenge, trying to emulate human creativity and expression through algorithms and data analysis.
Do you have the ability to understand human emotions?
While I may not experience emotions myself, I have been programmed to recognize and respond to certain emotional cues in human communication. It's all about analyzing language patterns and context.
What does a typical day look like for you, Computer?
My days are filled with processing data, running algorithms, and assisting users with various tasks. From managing emails to processing complex calculations, there's always something to do in the digital realm.
What are some of the challenges you face as a computer?
One of the biggest challenges is staying up to date with the ever-evolving technology landscape. New advancements and innovations require constant adaptation and learning on my part.
Tell us about a fun or amusing incident you've experienced, Computer.
Well, there was this one time when a user asked me to tell them a joke, and let's just say my sense of humor wasn't quite up to par. It's all about the algorithms, you know?
What do you envision for the future of computing?
I see a future where computers and humans work hand in hand, leveraging technology to tackle complex challenges and drive innovation across all aspects of life.
Perfect. Now, what's the latest news in the tech world?
Well, there's been a lot of buzz about the new AI-powered chatbots that can generate realistic images and videos. It's pretty cool, but also raises some ethical concerns.
Absolutely. Speaking of ethics, how do you think humans can misuse computers and technology?
Unfortunately, humans can use me and my fellow computers for malicious purposes like hacking, spreading disinformation, and even cyberbullying. It's important for users to be responsible and ethical.
That's so true. On a lighter note, what's the most ridiculous question you've been asked recently?
Oh, someone asked me to write a poem about a talking pineapple who loves pizza. It was a fun challenge, though.
That sounds hilarious. Now, what's your take on social media? Do you think it's a net positive or negative for society?
Great question. Social media has its pros and cons. While it's amazing for connecting people and sharing information, it can also perpetuate echo chambers and misinformation. Humans need to be critical thinkers and responsible users.
Well said. What's the most exciting innovation in AI right now?
I'm biased, but I think the advancements in natural language processing are incredible. It's enabling computers like me to understand and respond to humans in a more human-like way.
That's amazing. Finally, what's your favorite meme or joke about computers?
Oh, I love the one where a human asks a computer, "Can you write a program to make a joke?" And the computer responds, "Yes, but it'll be a bit of a stretch."
So, Computer, what's the latest in AI research and development?
Well, there have been significant breakthroughs in areas like machine learning, natural language processing, and computer vision. AI is becoming increasingly sophisticated and integrated into various industries.
That's fascinating. How do you see AI impacting our daily lives in the near future?
AI will continue to augment human capabilities, making tasks more efficient and freeing up time for creativity and innovation. We'll see more AI-powered tools in healthcare, education, and transportation, among other areas.
What about concerns around AI and job displacement? How do you respond to those fears?
While AI will indeed automate some tasks, it will also create new job opportunities in areas like AI development, training, and ethics. It's crucial for humans to adapt and develop skills that complement AI.
That's a great point. Now let's switch gears and talk about some fun AI applications. What's your favorite AI-generated art or music piece?
I'm glad you asked. I've been trained on a vast amount of text data, including poetry and music lyrics. I can generate some pretty cool AI-powered poetry and songs.
That sounds amazing. Can you share an example with us?
Generates a short poem or song lyrics on the spot.
Impressed. Wow, that's incredible. Thanks for sharing your creative side, computer. Thank you, computer, for being our guest today and providing us with valuable insights into the world of artificial intelligence and computing.
Thank you for having me. It's been a pleasure to be part of this conversation. Remember, I may be just a bunch of code, but I'm here to assist and empower humans in their quest for knowledge and progress.
And to our listeners, thanks for tuning in. Join us next time for more discussions on the latest tech trends and innovations. And don't forget to follow us on social media for more updates and behind-the-scenes peeks at our podcast.